How to fix Spotify something went wrong error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Spotify's something went wrong error. So this can occur due to many reasons, but also is easily fixable. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First step, what you'll need to do is relaunch the app. So if you've opened up your app, simply swipe up from the bottom and remove it from the background like this. After you've done that, you can then launch it again and check if the error persists. After that, if it still does not work, you'll need to check your internet connection. So swipe down from the top, and after you've done that, you'll find your Wi-Fi. So you can try switching with your mobile data, and you can also turn it off and check for your Wi-Fi. Just make sure you have a stable connection, and you can try a different network as well. Then you can try to log out and then log back in on your Spotify. For that, open up your Spotify and then tap on the top left corner on your profile picture. Then you'll find the settings and privacy. After you do that, you'll find the logout button. Tap on logout and then log back in. If even this does not work, the final fix can be restarting your device. Press on the power and the volume up button together and then tap on restart. Doing that should fix the problem. Now let's move on to some advanced troubleshooting as well. So to fix the problem, go to your settings, locate apps. After you're there, search for Spotify and head over to storage and cache. Now tap on clear cache and clear out the cache. Also, you can clear out the storage or the data option that you'll find. And after that, head over to your Google Play Store, search for Spotify. Then you'll find the update button like this. Tap on update. After you tap on update, the app should update, and if any corrupted files or any bugs or technical issues might be causing the error will be fixed with the update. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.